Welcome to Afri Real Estate and Construction Sinchu site project. As you have seen in our previous videos, we have shown you the backfilling process, the block laying process, and the carpentry works for the first floor concrete slab, which we are doing right now. If you can see, the workers are already on it. The electrical work has already been done and the plumbing has already been done.
As you can see, we have our laborers. We have few people down there. Those ones are responsible for the measuring of the sand and the concrete and the cement. We have the man on top of there, while those three wheelbarrows, they are the one collecting the concrete towards the masera there in order to complete the job as perfectly needed. This is how we do the job and this is how it's supposed to be done.
Our design and construction consulting service team not only help eliminate the risk inherent in the construction progress, they typically save our clients 5% or 10% of the overall construction cost. They also help make sure that all the projects are in time and we deliver our service according to the contract. Customers' perception is always our reality. At Afri Real Estate and Construction, we say shelter for Africa.